with Zuni.
Hey little kids, Assalamu alaikum. How are you feeling today? I'm good, Alhamdulillah. How was your day? Did you spend a good time with your family and parents? I'm sure you had. Welcome to Arabic with Zuni. Today we are going to do the next letter. It's very easy and interesting letter. It is the easiest letter in Arabic alphabets. It's just like a straight vertical line, then a half circle from the end. Yes, this one. It is called Laam. It comes after Qaf, Kaf, Laam. This is after Kaf. You remember we did previously Qaf and Kaf. In this one, the next letter, Laam, Laam, Laam. Look at my mouth and pronounce it. Laam, Laam. Good job, mashallah.
Yay!
Let's see how we can write it. A straight vertical line, then a half circle from the end. Yes, this is not any dot, not any shape inside it. It's very simple and easy. Laam. Say it for 3 times.
Okay.
Laam, Laam, Laam.
Yay!
Good job, mashallah. Perfect. Oh wow, this is night here. You know what night called in Arabic? It is Layl. Yes, this is Layl here. It's so dark around me.
Woo!
There is moon and stars and everywhere there is darkness. It's Layl. Layl with Laam. Yes, you are right. And in Layl, I am going to drink this delicious thing. Yes, it's so delicious. It is laban, milk. You should drink it also every night before going to bed. Yes, laban is very tasty. Laban means milk. Again with the word with letter Laam. So Laam for Layl and Laam for laban. And the next thing, look at my tongue.
Woo!
This. It is called lisan. Lisan means tongue. Lisan word starts with Laam. Laam for lisan. Lisan. This. This is lisan. Show me your lisan. Yes. Now pronounce Laam. Yes. Laam for Layl, Laam for laban, and Laam for lisan. Look at my dress. What I am wearing today. This is libas. Libas means clothes, which I am wearing right now. Libas with the letter Laam. Laam for libas. Yes. What is your libas color today? Mine is black and grey. Alright, now draw this letter with me. A straight vertical line and a half circle from the end.
Wow.
Yes, very easy. Laam, Laam. Look at my mouth and pronounce it. Laam, Laam. Yes, perfect. Good job. You are doing so good, mashallah. Laam, Laam for Layl, Laam for lisan, Laam for laban, Laam for libas. Yes, good one. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to show you some pictures. You have to tell me that either it is starting with Laam or not.
Yes.
Look at this picture. This is home. No, not with Laam. It starts with Ba, bait. Yes. And this is lisan. Yeah, you're right. It starts with Laam. And this? It is Kaukab. Stars with Kaf. You remember?
Yes.
And this one? Qalam. Yes, it starts with Qaf. Not with Kaf. It is with Qaf. And this? Yeah, laban. Good job. It starts with Laam. Perfect. Good one.
Yay!
You did amazing. So today you have learned Laam, Laam for Layl, Laam for lisan, Laam for laban, and Laam for libas. Ta-da! MashaAllah. See you next time inshallah with the next letter. Assalamu alaikum.
Bye bye.